My Company, People and Logins. To access this menu, please click on People and Logins on the My Company page. This tab provides an overview of all the accounts associated with your company. If you are a freelancer, you will only see one account. If you have a manager's account, then you will see all the accounts associated with your company under this tab. Accounts are listed in alphabetical order according to their last name. Under Role, we see what position they hold within the company. Here we see the email address associated with the account. Each account is assigned a profile which designates their rights within the system. External workers can only conduct work or submit translations, whereas managers have more rights within the system. A green check mark designates that this account's login is enabled. If the login is disabled, you will see a no access sign. Clicking on the icon will open the respective account details page. You can also access this details page by clicking on Select. You can export this information in several different file formats. Simply click on Print and a new menu will open. Here you can choose the maximum number of rows and the file format to export your information. Clicking on Customize Columns will open another menu. Here you can choose what information to include. Just check and uncheck the boxes. You can also determine the order of the information. Simply use the arrows to move it up or down on the list. You can create and download your file by clicking on Download.